Good morning, students. In this video, I am going to explain permutation groups. This is the second unit on group theory. Okay? Permutation groups andre ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಾವು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಇದು ಡೆಫಿನೇಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಸಬ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಪರ್ಮಿಟೇಷನ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಏನು ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. A permutation on n symbols is a 1-1 mapping of the set consisting of 1, 2, 3, etc. n onto itself. Okay, it is a mapping. Permutation andre it is a mapping. Set alli ಎಷ್ಟು n symbols. So in ಇಂದ in ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ n elements ಇದೆ. So mapping of the set onto itself is known as permutation. So if sigma is a permutation on n symbols, andre ee permutation annu sigma anta heli denote madidre, so if sigma is a permutation on n symbols, then sigma is completely determined by its values sigma of 1, sigma of 2, etc. sigma of n. ಹಾಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಒಂದು ಸೆಟ್ 1, 2, 3 etc. n ಅಂತಿದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇಮ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ the set onto itself. So what is the image of 1 under this mapping? Image of 1 under this mapping is sigma of 1. Mapping is denoted by sigma. So image of 1 is sigma of 1. Image of 2 is sigma of 2. Image of 3 is sigma of 3. And so on. Image of n is sigma of n. So sigma is completely determined by its values. For example, suppose sigma is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, where sigma of 1 is equal to 2, sigma of 2 is equal to 1, sigma of 3 is equal to 4, and sigma of 4 is equal to 3. Now this denotes a permutation. Okay, this denotes a permutation on 4 symbols. How many symbols? How many elements are there? 4 symbols or 4 elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, which maps 1 on 2, 2 on 1, 3 on 4, 4 on 3. That is, image of 1 is 2, image of 2 is 1, image of 3 is 4, image of 4 is 3. So this is a permutation. Now let me consider sigma equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Sigma of 1 is 2, sigma of 2 is 1, sigma of 3 is 4, sigma of 4 is 3. Consider another permutation. Let us denote this permutation by tau, where tau is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay, image of 1 is 3, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 1, and image of 4 is 4. Remember, permutation annu ee ತರ open brackets ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಡಿನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. Okay, so this is a notation for permutation. Now let us consider tau sigma. So tau sigma of 1 ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ tau sigma of 1. First consider sigma of 1. Image of 1 is equal to 2 under sigma, and under tau image of 2 is equal to 2. Therefore 1 goes to 2. So tau sigma ದಲ್ಲಿ image of 1 is equal to 2. Let me explain again. See tau sigma. So first sigma the elements consider ಮಾಡಿ. Image of 1 under sigma is equal to 2. What is the image of 2 under tau? It is 2. Therefore image of 1 is equal to 2 under tau sigma. Okay, so 1 goes to 2. Similarly 2 goes to 1, 1 goes to 3. Therefore 2 goes to 3. 3 goes to 4. Image of 3 is 4, image of 4 is 4, therefore image of 3 is 4. Image of 4 is 3, image of 3 is 4 under tau, therefore image of 4 is equal to 1. Hence, tau sigma of 1 is equal to 2, that is, tau sigma of 1 is equal to tau of sigma of 1, which is equal to tau of 2 equal to 2. Tau sigma of 2 is equal to tau of sigma of 2 equal to tau of 1 equal to 3. tau sigma of 3 is equal to tau of sigma of 3 equal to tau of 4. Tau of 4 is equal to 4. Tau sigma of 4 is equal to tau of sigma of 4, that is equal to tau of 3. Tau of 3 is equal to 1. Okay, similarly you find sigma of tau. Sigma of tau hege find out madudu? First sigma of tau of 1. Sigma of tau of 1 is sigma of tau of 1. Tau of 1 is 3. That is sigma of 3. Sigma of 3 is equal to 4. So sigma tau of 1 is equal to 4. Then image of 2 under this mapping, under this permutation. So sigma of tau of 2 is 2 goes to 2, 2 goes to 1. So image of 2 is 1 under sigma of tau. Sigma of tau of 3 is sigma of tau of 3. Tau of 3 is 1. So sigma of 1 is 2. So 3 goes to 2. Similarly 4 goes to 3. Observe that tau sigma is not equal to sigma of tau. I hope you have understood this. Tau sigma is not equal to sigma of tau. Now let us prove one proposition. The proposition states that the set Sn of all permutations on n symbols form a group. Set Sn of all permutation on n symbols form a group. Now we know that the product of two permutations on n symbols is again a permutation, correct? ಎರಡು permutation consider ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರ product ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆ product of two permutation is again a permutation on n symbols. ಈಗ ನಾವು 4 symbols ಗೆ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಎರಡು permutation ತಗೊಂಡ್ವಿ sigma ಮತ್ತೆ tau. ಅದರ product is again a permutation on 4 symbols, isn't it? Whether it is tau sigma or sigma tau, it's again a permutation on 4 symbols. So if we consider product of two permutation on n symbols, it is again a permutation on n symbols, and this product is associative. Okay, and the permutation 1 goes to 1, or one image of 1 going to 1, 2 going to 2, 3 going to 3, etc. n going to n is an identity element. So this permutation acts as an identity element. And if sigma is a permutation, it's a 1-1 mapping. We know that it's a 1-1 mapping of the set 1, 2, 3, etc. n onto itself. Sigma inverse is also a permutation on n symbols. And sigma into sigma inverse is equal to sigma inverse into sigma is equal to identity. Okay. So inverse of the permutation multiplied by sigma is equal to sigma into sigma inverse, that is equal to identity. Therefore, all the axioms of group are satisfied. Hence, Sn is a group. Okay. So this group Sn is called the permutation group on n symbols. So how to prove that this is a group? Just say that the product is associative, because product of any two permutation is again a permutation. Therefore, closure law is clearly satisfied. It is associative and identity element exists. And if sigma is a permutation, it's a 1-1 mapping of the set onto itself. Sigma inverse also exists, and it is a permutation on n symbols. Further, sigma into sigma inverse is again an identity element. Therefore, Sn is a group. Now this group Sn is called the symmetric group or the permutation group on n symbols. It is called the permutation group. So permutation group andre enu anta heli gottayitu. Now the group Sn is called the symmetric group because for n is equal to 3, elements of S3 can be interpreted as symmetries of a triangle. For n is equal to 4, elements of S4 can be interpreted as symmetries of a square, etc. Therefore, it is called the symmetric group. I hope you have understood the definition of symmetric group. Definition of permutation group or symmetric group. So please go through the definitions and the examples. Okay. If you have any doubt, let me know. Reference book is University Algebra by N.S. Gopalakrishnan. I shall stop here. Thank you.